Hello class. So as you know, we have been talking about how to make the perfect s'more and putting those steps into chronological order. So yesterday we did some group activities such as watching the YouTube video, and we also played the fun game on the smart board on how to put those steps into chronological order. But today we're going to put those steps into order ourselves. So first we're going to start out by going to the class website, and we're going to click resources and favorite links, and we're going to scroll down and go to the student section. So as you can see, we have s'mores, the items needed. So we're going to click view, and that's going to take us to the Quizlet on matching those items needed to the pictures. So we'll play that fun game on our own to help us study and remember. So as you can see, we have like our matches, and it has a picture by it. And when you play, you'll click match. So when this loads, we're going to start our game, and it times you. Okay, so here we have graham crackers, and we drag it to the picture, and it matches them. So we'll be doing that. And then after we get finished with that activity, you can raise your hand and I'll just check that you've completed the task. After that, we're going to be doing a worksheet. So we've talked about how to make the s'mores, and we matched our picture. So now we're going to write those steps ourselves, and we're going to draw a picture to go with it. And then after we do that, we're going to switch with a partner, and we're going to peer review, and we're going to check each other and make sure that we did it correctly. So then at the end of class, after we do that, we draw our pictures, we write our sentences and check it with our partner. We're going to do our exit ticket again, like I had talked about in our other flip video, which you can access how to do that under the student resources tab on my website. And you'll just fill this out and you'll submit it to me. That way I know that you're understanding how to make the s'mores. And then at the end of the day, you're going to get homework. And this is how I'm going to assess you to make sure that you're doing it correctly. You're going to take your worksheet home that you did, and you're going to write those steps on a piece of notebook paper. But this time you're going to add an introduction and then write your 4 steps, and then you're going to make a closing statement. You can even talk about where you would make your s'mores, if you would do it when you go camping or going on vacation to the beach and making s'mores or anything like that. So you just kind of need to write a little paper about how you would do it and make sure to incorporate the steps. And then lastly, we're going to come to class the next day after we've written our paper, and we're going to peer review it one more time with our partners. And after that, we're going to type it on a Microsoft Word document, and you're going to save that to your computer. And when you're done, you're going to come back to the resources and favorite links, and you're going to click that, and then come down here to the s'mores chronological order assessment. You see this folder right here, and you're going to click add file after you've already saved it on your computer. And then we're going to click our document, and we're going to upload that. And then we're going to click this little box next to your document, and we're going to move it to our s'mores folder. And that way you can turn your papers in there, and I can see everybody's paper, and you can read everybody else's too, so we can see what other people would do to make their s'mores and see what kind of things they incorporated in their steps as well. So that's how we're going to test you on how to make the s'mores, to make sure you're you know how to make the s'mores and put them in chronological order.